How to add add-ons on Stremio. Now, upon installing and downloading the software right here, you'll have to create an account. Don't need to worry because you can use any working email that you have for it to be able to work. So once you have successfully logged in, there is going to be options in here like home, discover, library, calendar, add-ons, and settings. So obviously we will be going out to this puzzle icon right here that is called add-ons. Just click on that and you'll have three specific fields, which is going to be for official add-ons, community add-ons, and my add-ons. Now, official add-ons is actually a default add-ons that is already been added to Stremio. Community add-ons is going to be the add-ons that you will be downloading first before you can use it. So for you to add it, just simply go to community add-ons and choose whatever add-ons you would like. You can also try to use the search box right here and then install it. Once you have successfully installed it, just go to your My Add-ons field, and this is where the add-ons that you have downloaded will be visible. So that's how you add add-ons on Stremio.